Hello, welcome back guys. Today in this video, I will show you how to make a miniature Captain America shield with paper. So before we start, subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon so you will get notified. So let's get started. So the materials are paper, rounder, tape, scissor, sketch pen brown, red and blue, glue, scale, pencil and protractor. So let's start making. First we will take rounder, scale and pencil. And we will take 3.3 cm radius circle. After that, we will take 2.7 cm and draw a circle inside the big one. The next radius is 2.2 cm. And at last it's 1.5 centimeter. Here's our diagram ready. Now we'll draw a line straight from the midpoint to out. Then we will mark 14 degree at the protractor.
Summer in the hills, those hazy days I do remember. We were running still,
And then we will connect
the
it.
whole world at our feet, watching seasons change. Our roads were lined with adventure.
After that, we will color it. On the first line, red. Second, it's white. Third is also red. And the center circle is blue. It's a medium blue. And we have colored it. Now let's cut it. You have to cut it whole. Then we will cut one line which we have drawn. Now stick it. Here we have stick it. Now we have to make the star at the center of the shield. So for that, we will draw a line of 1.5 cm and mark on 1 centimeter. Then we will draw a line of 0.7 millimeter at the 1 centimeter marking. And then we have to join all the points. It will form a kite-like shape. Then cut it. Here it is. We will need 5 of them. Now we will need 2 strips of length 4 cm and marking on 1.5 cm. And we will color it brown. These are the handles of the shield. Now we will fold them at 1.5 cm from each corner. Now we will fold the down part towards the top equally. I will do the same with the second one. Then we will get our shield. And we get our kite-like shape. We will stick it like this. We have to stick all the same way.
Had the whole world at our feet, watching seasons change. Our roads were lined with
Like this.
adventure, mountains in the way.
Here's our star complete.
Keep us from the sea. Here we stand open arms. This is home where we are, ever strong in the world that we made.
Then we will take our scale and mark at 2.8 cm and 0. These are the points where we have to stick the handle. Now we will stick the handle. It's the same way we will stick the second one too. And here's our shield ready. It looks nice. It's done. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.